Hello and welcome to the first episode of this new course, The American Story. This is Chapter 1, 0. In this episode, we learn new words, see them in examples, answer questions, and then have homework. Let's start with the first word for today. The first word we have today is promise. Promise has many meanings. The meaning we will study today is promise to say something will happen for sure. Let's take an example. I promised my friend to go to the party. I promised my friend to go to the party. This means I told my friend that I will go to the party for sure. Do you know the names of the fingers in your hand? Each one of these fingers has a name. Do you know the names? This one is the pinky finger. This is the ring finger. This is the middle finger. The index finger. And this is the thumb. The thumb. Notice that the B is silent. Don't say thumb. Thumb. No B. So, pinky, ring, middle, index, thumb. If you like something, you can say thumbs up. Thumbs up. What is the opposite of thumbs up? Thumbs down. By the way, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Okay, we said this is the pinky finger. Kids and babies usually say pinky promise, like that. That is called a pinky promise. Listen to this.
Pinky promise.
Yeah, yes.
Pinky promise.
Yeah, yes.
Everybody knows this word, shop, right? In England, this is a shop. In America, people don't say shop. It is called a store. So, this is a bookstore, and this is a candy store, and this is a shoe store. Let's take an example. Trina feels very happy. Her mom promised to take her to the candy store. Trina feels very happy. Her mom promised to take her to the candy store. What is the boy in this picture doing? You can say he is getting in the car. Getting in the car. Remember, we say get in, not get on. Get in the car. If someone gets in the car very fast, you can say he jumped into the car. Jumped into the car. When we say he jumped into the car, we don't mean this. Nobody does that, so don't try it. When we say he jumped into the car, we only mean he got in the car fast. Next word is surprise. Surprise, surprise. Surprise is something you didn't know that it will happen. You can say, I am surprised. I am surprised. For example, you speak Spanish? Wow, I'm surprised. You speak Spanish? Wow, I'm surprised. Surprise can be a happy surprise, like this guy. He is surprised and he is happy. That is a happy surprise. But surprises can also be sad. Like this guy here, he had a surprise, but as you can see, he's not happy. That is a sad surprise. Sad surprise. Do you know the meaning of surprise me? Surprise me doesn't mean please give me a surprise. No, this is not the meaning. The meaning is I don't really care. Example, you come to my house and I say, would you like to drink tea or coffee? If you like tea and you like coffee and you don't care I give you tea or I give you coffee, they are the same. You can say, surprise me. When you say surprise me like that, It means if you give me tea, it's okay, and if you give me coffee, that also is okay. Alright, so what is this man's job? You will say he's a doctor. Okay, he's a doctor, but what kind of a doctor is he? Is he the eyes doctor? No, he's the teeth doctor, yeah? What is the teeth doctor called? A dentist. Okay, so where does the dentist work? Where does he work? Some dentists work in the hospital, and some other dentists, they don't work in the hospital, they open an office. So a dentist may be working in a hospital and may be working in a dentist's office. Let's take an example. I hate going to the dentist's office. I hate going to the dentist's office. Like our friend here. He doesn't like going to the dentist's office. The next thing we have is how could you? How could you? Also you can say, how could you do that to me? How could you do that to me? You say that when you have a sad surprise. It means, oh my God, I can't believe you did that. That's so bad. When we say it, we usually say it like this. How could you? How could you? Or, how could you do that to me? How could you do that to me? It's an angry word. It means you're angry that someone did that. Next word we have is scream. Scream is to raise your voice and make it very loud. Example, stop screaming, Johnny. Stop screaming, Johnny. That's Johnny Depp. Apologize. Apologize. It means to say sorry. Example, I apologize to you. Please forgive me. I apologize to you. Please forgive me. Or you can say, do not apologize. It's not your fault. Do not apologize. It's not your fault. Next word is patient. Patient. This word has many meanings. The meaning we will study today is patient, a sick person in the hospital. A sick person in the hospital. Example, the patient is given a thumbs up. The patient is given a thumbs up. Notice that the patient gave only one thumb up. That's one thumb up. But we say he gave a thumbs up. If you say he gave a thumb up, that will be correct. But nobody says that. Even if it is one thumb, we still say a thumbs up. Thumbs up. Next word is cavity. Cavity. A cavity is a hole in the tooth. Like what you see in this picture, this is called a cavity. Example, if you don't take care of your teeth, you will have cavities. If you don't take care of your teeth, you will have cavities. Okay, now it is time to answer some questions. Are you ready? Take a look at this. We need to solve this crossword. Number 1, down. What do you call a sick person in the hospital? I will give you 3 seconds. A sick person in the hospital is called a patient. Patient. Number 2, down. Something you didn't know and you didn't expect that it will happen. You didn't know and you didn't expect that it will happen. You have 3 seconds. That's called a surprise. Surprise. Number 3, across. A hole in someone's tooth is called a cavity. Cavity, let's write it. Number 4, down. To say that you will do something for sure. 3 seconds. That is a promise. A promise. Number 5, across. You do this when you feel sorry about something you have done. The answer is apologize. Number 6, this is a place where you can go and buy things. In England, they call it a shop. The answer is store. Number 7. This is a type of a doctor that takes care of people's teeth. That is very easy. The answer is a dentist. Okay, now it's time to give you your homework. What is the best way to describe the following picture? Let's see the picture. I want you to look at the picture. Try to make a sentence or two describing the picture. Let's see. Alright guys, so this is the end of chapter 1, 0. I'll see you in the next video, chapter 1, Hero, where we will be reading a story and then answering questions about this story. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.